A big thank you to InstaWP for sponsoring this video. InstaWP is a great way to create, test and deploy WordPress websites in just one click. Right, so when you're working in a WordPress block theme, it really just consists of two things. Your template, which in this example we're going to call orange juice. That's our templates, yummy yummy. And it also consists of your content, which in this metaphor we're going to use as milk. And both independently, orange juice, let's have a taste. Absolutely delicious, our lovely templates. And our content also delicious. But what you should never do really in a block theme is this. You shouldn't really mix your templates with your content, because then you get this pretty disgusting mishmash of taste, which I call morange. We don't really want morange in our websites. We want to keep these two things completely separate. And here's how you do it. So log into the site editor, and then we're going to start by adding a new template. So go to templates and then click on that plus new sign, and then select front page. Don't choose any options that pop up. We don't want to insert any patterns here. So just close that down. And then we're going to start to add this template. So /header, that's your shortcut, and just add the header. Then hit return, and then go /content, hit return, and then go /footer. That's just building our base template that's going to bring in the content from our front page. Then just save out that template. That's step one done. Now it's time to design our actual front page. So we're going to come completely out of the site editor. So click on the top left icon to come out of the site editor and go add new page. And this is going to be your new home page. So you can call this what you like, but I'm going to call it home. And then you just design this page. So this is entirely up to you how you design this. In this example, I'm just bringing in a block pattern so I can do this quickly, but you can lay this out however you like, and then just publish that page. That's step two. So now all we need to do is set that as your home page, as your front page. Go to settings and reading, go up to the top where it says your home page displays, change it from your latest post to a static page, and then just choose your page in that drop down and save it. And now we have that page set as your front page, and your template is your template, and your content is your content. And when you click on edit page in the admin toolbar at the top, it takes you to the page content, not to the template. So we have this beautiful separation of template and content. I made this video because I keep on seeing clients that get confused and put content into templates, and it really throws them out. So hopefully that makes it very clear to you how to set up your block themes. I hope you found that useful. If you follow that process every time you're setting up a new site, or if you've got an existing site and you want to re-engineer it, that's what you need to do. It'll make things a lot easier for you. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, if you can hit the like button, it'd be fantastic, because it really does make a huge difference, and it'll help share this around the internet so other people don't make that mistake of putting content into templates. So thank you if you can hit the like button. And also, every time you do hit the like button, our cats get a little treat. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I release a new one. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.